Okay, this video is for activity 3 with our mail merge. I'm creating labels. And with our updated version of Word, it is actually drastically different than the instructions I have. So I will be working on getting those updated, but this video should help you if needed. So we will start by going to our mailings. And then just like before, we will select our recipients first. So we're going to say use an existing. So remember, this is from that spreadsheet that you created the other day called birthday guests. So you will have to go and find it in your server folder, wherever you saved it at. And then remember, if we get this pop-up, we're going to say yes. And then our range is A1:F20. And then the next thing we're going to do is say start our mail merge. And we want to choose labels from here. And then from your list, we want to choose the second one that says 30 per page. So make sure over here on the right side for page size, it says 8.5 by 11. And we will say OK. And then now we're going to go ahead and insert our merge field. So first name, then do a space, last name, enter. Then the next line will be our address, enter. Then we'll want to do city, then a comma and a space, state, space, and our zip code. Next, you're going to want to click update labels here. And so now it's put in all of that information. Remember, it's just our fields, kind of those holding fields. And so then what you actually will turn in for me, we'll come over to our finish and merge, and we'll do the edit individual documents. And so then you should see here all of my names with my labels. So this is what you will save. We are going to save it as labels activity 3, and then this is what you will turn in on Schoology.